week for assignment 8, we're going to be converting third angle 3-view drawings, 2 of them, to first angle. So now remember, what we use here in the United States is third angle. That's where you have the front view, and the right view's on the right, and the top view's on the top. So if this were the front, you look at the right side, that's the right view, and you look at the top, and that's the top view. Same thing down here. You have, this is what we're calling the front of the object, and if I were to look at the right-hand side of it, this is what I'd see. That's the right view. If I were to look down from the top, that's what I'd see. And again, notice these views are directly lined up, straight to the right or straight to the top. Some of you did not do that in the last assignment, so make sure we do that. I will make this active today, which is Wednesday the 11th, and I'll give you till the end of next week since we have 2 of them. So it'll be a little bit longer. Normally I put the assignments out on Mondays, but we'll put some on a little bit early if you guys want to get a jump start at it. So again, there's 2 drawings you have to make. Draw them both in CAD. Make sure you have all 3 views, the front, the right, and then the top. Remember that in this particular case, you have 1 3/4. You see the 2 little marks, those are inches. Up here you have 3.0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Some of you may not know what it is, just draw it in inches. So remember, type in units and change it over to architectural. Okay, so make sure we're doing proper units here and proper units here. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by during advisory. I can go down and help you in the library, or before or after school. If you let me know, I can meet you down in the library as well. So again, 2 assignments. Make sure you change the units to architectural and draw them in inches. So go ahead. Don't worry about some of these extra symbols. This is a welding call out. That's a fillet weld on the arrow side, and that means weld all the way around. So some of this stuff, don't worry about it if you see anything other than regular dimensions. All right, good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or come on down to the shop and talk to me. Thanks.